Is your computer connected to Wi-Fi, but the internet isn't working? This is a very common problem in Windows. In this video, I will show you 4 quick fixes that can usually solve it in just a few minutes. Before we change anything in Windows, let's try the quickest fix first. Restart your router or modem. Simply unplug the power cable, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Once the router finishes restarting, check if the internet is working again. If the problem continues, let's restart the network adapter on your computer. Click Start, go to Settings, go to Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapter, find the adapter you are currently using. If you are connected using Wi-Fi, restart your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are connected using a wired connection, restart your Ethernet adapter. Since I am connected using Wi-Fi, I will disable my Wi-Fi adapter. So click Disable, wait a few seconds, and then click Enable again. This refreshes the connection and often restores internet access. If that didn't solve the issue, the next step is to reset the network configuration. Type command prompt in the search box, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type the following commands one by one, pressing enter after each command. Let's start with the first one. Now type the following commands one by one into the command prompt. Let me copy and paste the first command. Enter. Alright, that is done already. Alright, let's copy and paste the second command. Enter. Alright, that's done as well. Let's go to the command number 3. Copy and paste. Enter. That is completed as well. On to the fourth one. Copy and paste. So this command resets important network components in Windows. It refreshes your IP addresses and clear DNS cache that might be causing the connection problem. Alright, that is completed as well. Let's copy the last command and paste it into command prompt and execute that one as well. Alright, that's also completed. So after running all the commands, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. I will also include these commands in the description so you can copy and paste them. If the issue still continues, you can perform a full network reset. Go to Start, Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, Reset Now, and click Yes. So this will reset all your network adapter and restore default settings. Just remember that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks, so you will need to reconnect. If you forgot your Wi-Fi password, check out my video on how to find your saved Wi-Fi password in Windows. One more thing to check. Try connecting another device like your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. If that device also has no internet, the issue may be with your router or the internet provider. If this video helped you to fix the problem, consider subscribing for more simple tech troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching.